All right, LV10 LV10 installed on a 2023 BMW S1000rr. The installation was a mess. Should have taken 10 minutes, took me 45 minutes because I suck with mechanical things and I try not to mess with it. But I thought, hey, this will be easy. Let me just knock it out, right? What could go wrong? Well, this bracket doesn't link up properly. So I had to pull up on the entire system to get the hole that is in the back of this bracket to allow the bulk to go through. It's like way down here, so you have to lift up on the system. Also, now I'm having a water leak come out of here. Every time I cold start it, bam, water runs out, which means air is coming out. This is tightened as hard as it's gonna get. I mean, without stripping or breaking or whatever. I mean, I got it on there. So yeah, I don't know what went wrong. There's only a couple other videos with the LV10 specifically. So I figured I'd make a third one, right? Or fourth one, whatever. And yeah. So in my video, I make a lot of mistakes, whatever. I haven't put it up yet, but I will. Crappy video, but whatever. Not out here trying to model, but yeah. Anyway, sounds all right. Not a big increase in noise, really. Just a ever so slight, like a little bit deeper, it's a little deeper than the aquapovic that was on it originally. That's it. Yeah. So I'm gonna take it out tomorrow for a little bit, a couple hours. I'll probably try to get some videos of it riding by or something. I don't know. We'll figure something out and then post that later. So, all right. Thanks.